Vegans are so aggressive. I don't like how vegans talk. I don't like how they look. Get the fuck out of here with your fragile feelings. Oh, okay, I get it. So a vegan was mean to you, so you now have no choice but to continue paying for the abuse and murder of innocent animals. No one, no way, no words will ever stop you going vegan and protecting animals if you truly care. Just because you stick your fingers in your ears and sing la 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 la. Hey, check out my new ebook, My Naked Lunchbox. It's 242 pages teaching you how to basically unfuck your life. Packed with cruelty-free lunchbox recipes, over 60 full colour recipe photos. Link in the description below. Hey, free woman. So just a disclaimer before we go on. I do not hate people who eat carcass animal secretions and hens periods. I have friends who are watching this right now who eat flesh, and although I don't approve at all, of course you know that, they are still my friends. However, there is no time to pussyfoot around to tread gently around issues that fucking matter. And please keep these Why I'm Still Vegan videos coming. They are fucking awesome. They are flooding YouTube. They're everywhere. It's just great to see this level of unity for the animals. So keep pushing them out there. Go and search for them if you haven't seen these videos, and like and comment and subscribe and support these people making these videos, because they are really, really important. And I wanted to say a big welcome to Isaac's fans who sent his fans over here, which is so lovely of him. I'm sure you're going to get so much out of this video. It's going to resonate really deeply for you. So at this point, it's pretty clear that the human species is fucking insane. So insane, in fact, that there is actually humans out there who pay for sickening, violent, gruesome things to be done to innocent animals every single meal of every single day. And those people, they feel attacked. They feel fucking attacked. They say vegans are cruel and judgmental, and they want to be free to feast on their flesh in peace, and instead treated with love, kindness, and compassion. They say vegans are mean and they need to be more loving. Are you for fucking real? Seriously, are you for fucking real? You want me to be more supporting and loving and compassionate about your decision to enslave, torture, and murder innocent beings? Get the fuck out of here with your fragile feelings. So let me get this straight. So someone called you out on the fucked up things you've been doing and supporting. They told you the truth, and you got offended. Good. Fucking fantastic. I'm glad you got offended, because your whole lifestyle is fucking offensive. Yes, you should feel bad. You are doing bad things. Make no mistake, you have someone else's blood on your hands. And people like me are going to speak up about it because we actually give a fuck. Look, going vegan isn't about joining some trendy plant-based circle jerk on YouTube, or about furthering your eating disorder. This is a serious fucking movement for the animals. It's about leaving them the fuck alone, basically, so they can live their life. This isn't about you, the oppressor. This is about the oppressed, the animals. This is not about your fucking feelings. This is about saving lives. You are not the victim. You are the perpetrator. The animal on your plate that you are eating or that you're about to eat is the victim. Sure, your ego might be bruised from hearing the truth, but your flesh is not being wounded. Your blood is not being spilt. Your body is not being violated. You aren't being kicked, punched, and stabbed for just being you. You don't have to eat and stand in your own shit all day long, waiting for your turn to die. Your genitals aren't being mutilated. You're not being anally electrocuted and skinned alive for fashion. I mean, your breasts are not being pulled and sucked by a machine until they ooze pus and blood. You aren't being repeatedly raped and kept pregnant only to have your baby stolen, enslaved, or killed after every single pregnancy. You aren't being forced to cannibalize your own kind for food, or watch family members be ground up alive in front of you. You aren't at risk of having your head hacked off for someone else's snack. So, what the actual fuck is your problem then? Oh, that's right, you don't actually have a problem because you are a privileged human being who has freedom. The animals you kill don't. You know, words do not make you bleed. Guns, knives, fists do. Fuck feelings. Feelings are a luxury. They are optional. Death is final. You can choose to become a better human right now, but the animals you choose to exploit and eat have no fucking choice but to suffer for you. Don't even try and come at me with this compassion bullshit, demanding compassion from me when your actions support pure evil. No, I will not help you feel supported as male chicks are dropped, thrown, suffocated, mutilated, and ground up alive for your fucking omelette. I will not give you a free pass. Fuck that. This isn't some flaky popularity contest on YouTube for me. I will not hold back my judgment so you can turn a blind eye and forget about all the cruel shit that you are supporting. I will not stay silent while animals are suffering. Fuck being nicer so you can feel nicer about paying some psychopath to murder an animal for your fucking sandwich? Yes, I am judging you. Yes, what you eat is my fucking business. Because your diet is causing the deliberate death of animals and the destruction to my home. It is my fucking business. You made it my business. Look, we all know that you're trying to shift the focus off your offensive, cruel, deathly behavior by whining about your feelings. Okay, if you are attacked and wounded, that is not okay. But this is what animals are going through every fucking minute of every fucking day. But we are talking about words here, and you feeling offended, your feelings. You have a choice to be empowered or offended in any moment. Don't you dare try and make this about anything other than the fact that you are supporting the abuse and torture and slaughter of innocent animals. You are responsible for all this pain and suffering at every mealtime. Please stop being so cruel. The truth is, you must be stopped. Your fleshy fetish is making life a living hell for animals every day. I mean, if that means hurt feelings, then fuck yeah. Suck it up. Own it. Your feelings are your moral compass. Listen to them, but really, really listen to them. You only feel hurt because you are responsible for physically hurting others. You can claim to be an animal lover, you can claim to care, you can talk about kindness and compassion and peace and all that fluffy shit, but the animals don't give a fuck about your words. They give a fuck about your actions, because your actions mean pain and suffering and death to them. Just because you stick your fingers in your ears and sing la 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 doesn't make the suffering go away for animals. It is still real. It is still happening behind closed doors. Again, being vegan is about animals. It's not about being besties. It's not about you and me. It's not about how a vegan talks to you. It's not about joining a community or whatever. It is about preventing the needless torture, abuse, slaughter of animals. It's about saving lives. And let's not forget my favorite line. I was gonna go vegan, but you put me off. Vegans are so aggressive. I don't like how vegans talk. I don't like how they look. Oh, veganism is a cult. Oh, it's a community I don't want to be part of, etc., etc., etc. Notice there's never any mention of the animals. Oh, okay, I get it. So a vegan was mean to you, so you now have no choice but to continue paying for the abuse and murder of innocent animals. So it's perfectly okay to continue killing animals because you got offended. If you really care about animals, about the lives of animals, which is what veganism is about, then you don't care who the fuck tells you or how the fuck they tell you, just as long as they fucking tell you. If you care about the message, you don't care who the messenger is. Look, let's be real here. You don't give a fuck about the message. You don't give a fuck about animals or veganism. You're just a bored internet troll. You were never considering going vegan because your burger comes first. And because you've been trained by society to be a selfish, lazy fuck. All you present me with is more pathetic excuses to not change, to stay doing what you're doing. I've been in the movement for over 12 years. I've heard it all. So you may as well move on and stop wasting our time. No one, no way, no words will ever stop you going vegan and protecting animals if you truly care. But the reality is most people in this society must be offended in some way before even considering changing. Remember, truth passes through 3 stages. First, it is ridiculed. Veganism gets that all the time. Second, it is violently opposed. Veganism gets that all the time. Third, it is accepted as fact. It's like, yeah, we already knew that. Yeah, people accept it as self-evident. So fellow vegans, don't ever be apologetic for standing up with a strong voice and saying what needs to be said and doing what needs to be done. No matter who it fucking offends, because as I said, people often need to be offended first before they consider changing. Remember the 3 stages of truth. Because feelings are feelings and death is death, and we must always defend the animals.